你们好，大家好，跟乔治学法语，大家好。So today let's start directly and let's see together another sound. So another sound of the French language. Today the sound that we want to see is this one here, and it is fenêtre. Last lesson, we've seen another this one, je, feu. But this one is, they are almost the same. They are almost the same. Honestly, I think to me they are the same. But this one is a little bit longer. Je, feu, and this is very short, very short. And this one is a little bit longer. But you cannot make the difference too much. You cannot make the difference too much. So how to say this sound? First, you need to have the mouth like this. And it's low, it's slow, it's not loud, it's slow. And it's closed. Don't open the mouth, close the mouth. It's not it's okay. And in Chinese language, you have a similar sound. I think it's like the Chinese I think, you know, in China, when you say de, it's the same de. You have also the sound de. Okay. First of all, as you can see, there are not so many different ways to write this sound. And first of all, let's repeat the sounds together. Okay, woman, ichichuo. Woman, ichichuo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? 现在我们一起说这个the words together. Faisant, faisable, le, venin, retour, velot, querelle. Il tremble trop. Carte vue. Monsieur. You see the difference in these words. Monsieur, monsieur, they are the two e. This part, on, this part, it's this sound. So you will say me. And ici, me is this sound e. And this part, cieux, is the long one. Is the other one, okay? Me, cieux is longer one. Monsieur, monsieur, But the two sounds are very, very similar. The two sounds are very, very similar, even for me. So don't worry about it too much, okay? So Jin Ken woman Gong Gong Kan Ichichuo fenêtre, fenêtre. And Shangse woman can je, feu, it's longer. Okay. Let's review together. Nimen Ganwo Ichichuo. A, pat, papa. A, pat, ta. Fenêtre. Je, feu. Et, été, né. Mère, jamais. O, so. O, porte, port, or, mort. Fille, ami, ou, coup, out, nu, GU, Fei Chang Hao, Xie Xie Daja, Zaijian, au revoir.